44 is 80% of what number? So gawan lang natin ito ng equation. So we have 44 is means equal sign. So we have equals 80%. So we can write this as 80 over 100. Of means multiplication, and then what number we can assign any variable times n. Or another way is we can use decimals. So instead of 80 over 100, we can write that as 44 equals 80% in decimal, that is 0.8, and then times n. Okay, so we use fraction first. So find the solution of this. So we can divide both by to solve for n, divide both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of 80 and 100. So that is 100 over 80. So multiply both sides of the equations by 100 over 80. So cancel 100 and 80. So what is left is n. So 100 times 44, so that is 4400 divided by 80. So we can cancel the 0. So just divide by long division. So we have 440 divided by 8. So we have 440 divided by 8. So that is equal to 5. 5 times 8, we have 40. Subtract, we have 4. Bring down 0. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So therefore, the correct answer is letter D, 55. Then if we use decimal, so we have divide both sides by 0.8. So cancel 0.8. So therefore, n is equal to, convert this 0.8, multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10, or simply move the decimal point. So we have 440 divided by 8. Therefore, we will get the same answer. 440 divided by 8 is 55. Follow for more.